everyone, welcome to Rosy Joy and thank you so much for being here. And for today's video I'm gonna take you along with me into my living room and dining space. I'm going to be doing some cleaning around, some organization, and I will be taking off all of my Easter decor as well. And when I say that, I'm talking about all of the bunnies that I have around those area. And the idea is to have everything very clean and ready for my little one birthday party decor that I'm going to be doing for her. I am very excited about that. This is something that I'm enjoying so much to do for my girls. It's something that I like for them to keep forever, for their memories, and I will try to make this very special for them, like I say. And yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me with all the process of me cleaning around those spaces, and I will be doing some changes in my dining area because this is actually the space that I'm going to be decorate the most, and I need to move some of the furniture and stuff like that. And yeah, very excited to see how everything is gonna look after I get done with all the cleaning and organization, and then get ready for the fun part, which is gonna be decorating. But this is will be in my next video where I'm gonna share with you all of the birthday decor, her cake that I'm gonna be doing, and how everything is gonna look and how everything's gonna turn out. I will be showing you all of the decoration and where they come from as well. And yeah, with all that being said, I hope that you can get some motivation from here. And if you like and enjoy to watch this video, like and subscribe for more future videos. I would love to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. But for now, come along with me and let's get started.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. know I never meant to hurt you. know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loving me always. Please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. know I never meant to hurt you. know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 know I never meant to hurt you. know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I'm in love with myself.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.